Hello and welcome all of you. You're watching K Commerce Academy with me, Kunal Singhal. So, in the series of mock viva of business studies, in the month of March and April, I had conducted lot of mock vivas and जितने भी students के वैसे तो मैंने approximately 125 students के mock vivas conduct किए, हालांकि सारे वीडियोस अपलोड करना पॉसिबल नहीं था, बट जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स के मॉक वाइवास कंडक्ट हुए उन सभी स्टूडेंट्स ने बाद में मैसेज किया, मेल किया दैट देयर प्रैक्टिकल्स वाज फैंटास्टिक in accountancy as well as in business studies. I had conducted lot of mock vivas. अब during the pandemic अप्रैल और मई मंथ में एग्जाम्स को पोस्टपोन कर दिया गया था, तो कुछ स्कूल्स के प्रैक्टिकल्स पोस्टपोन हो गए थे और अब दोबारा से जब प्रैक्टिकल्स स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं तो एक स्टूडेंट का आज हम एक बार फिर से मॉक वाइवा कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं बिजनेस स्टडीज का. लेट्स बिगिन विद दैट. Yeah, very good evening, Kshitij.
Sir.
Give you a brief introduction. Just wait. Give you a brief introduction.
Sir, I am Kshitij Agarwal. I study in Rand International School, Vasanthkunj. I have chosen the topic of Principle of Management with special application to Vishal Megamart for conduction of my BSc project.
Did you really visited Vishal Megamart?
Yes, sir.
In which month?
Sir, it's Dwarka branch.
Pardon? In which month you visited Vishal Megamart?
I visited in June.
In the month of June 2020, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I hope your practical will also be conducted online only, because the instructions from CBSE have been given similarly, and it will be exactly in the similar way as we are conducting here. Okay, so
Yes,
what
sir.
was your final observation out of the 14 principles of management propounded by Henry Fayol? How many principles you find are applicable on Vishal Megamart?
Sir, all of the principles were working in the Vishal Megamart except the two. One was stability of personnel and another one was esprit de corps.
Esprit de corps was not followed, and stability of personnel also you find was not available in that particular organization. So did you guided those persons that stability of personnel should be applied and esprit de corps should be applied? Did you guided those manager or the persons available there?
Yes, sir, I told the salesperson that they should follow those two principles in order to become efficient in their work.
So did they given any excuse that why they are not following this principle?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That salesperson said that their job is not like up to that superior level that they should be given job security. So, like they were also satisfied that they are not getting job security. Like they were not also raising their voice.
Okay, fine. Can you explain the principle of initiative?
Principle of initiative means employees should be given initiative to participate in decision making. Any employee will be work with their best efficiency if they get to choose with how to like if they get the right to choose the plan, long-term plan. If everything will work under his wish, then he will put his best to achieve that objective.
What is the best benefit or the biggest advantage of the principle of initiative?
It will help in increasing the efficiency in the organization.
And it will boost the morale of the employees. It will boost up the morale of the employees. Okay. Tell me one principle of management which have been propounded by Henry Fayol, which is contradictory which is contradictory to one of the technique of scientific management.
Yes, sir. The unity of command is contradictory to functional foremanship technique by Prentice Winslow Taylor.
And what is the difference between unit of command and unit of direction?
The unity of command means subordinate should take orders from only one superior, because if he's taking order from more than one superior, then it will lead to confusion that whose work to be executed first. And unity of direction focuses on one organization, one plan. Every individual working in the organization should work with the aim of achieving a single objective.
In the Vishal Mega Mart, did you find the principle of centralization and decentralization?
Yes, sir, I found that these principles were being followed.
So which kind of policy they were following, the centralization or the decentralization?
They were following decentralization policy.
And
Like there was a balance between centralization and decentralization.
okay, there was a balance. Further, continue with your answer.
Yes, sir. So there was a balance between centralization, decentralization in that company. Like minor decisions were taken by salesperson itself, like instructing the customers to not to using the product effectively, and like major decisions were taken by superiors.
Okay, fine.
So yeah, there.
So in my view, your preparation is perfect, and I can assure you, you will get full marks in tomorrow's Viva. So you just one thing that you need to do, you need to a little bit confident. You are perfectly prepared. Each and every question you have answered perfectly. Just the thing is, you was having some sort of anxiety in your mind कि कहीं मैंने गलत बोल दिया तो क्या होगा या ऐसा कुछ भी. So you need not to panic for anything. You need not to worry for anything. You are prepared perfectly. Just need to be confident in your heart. Fine. Any question from your side? Any query?
Okay. No, sir. It was a very great session. It would really help me for my tomorrow's Viva.
Definitely. And my all the best wishes are with you. Okay, Kshitiz? So just perform as per your capability the best by tomorrow. Fine? See you, dear.
Thank you, sir.